How to manage privacy and permissions on Microsoft OneDrive app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to Microsoft OneDrive app like this. Now this is the home page. As you can see, all what you have to do is so simple. Go down here, click on this me icon until it take you to this page. Now click on settings right here. After you click on settings, now all what you have to do is scroll down like this until you find privacy and permissions here. Click on it, and now right here you can manage your privacy and permissions. As you can see, you can turn off and turn on whatever you want, very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.